we start them as young as we can. Because the more you bring them out, the more they learn, trust me. She may not have it all down, but she will. That's exactly how we learn. So this first number, before we all bring out, because I'm not going to be able to explain this first number once they actually get started. So we thought this would be an appropriate first number from the island of Samoa. And even in Samoa, we have the people there will join the military. They will fight for freedom just as well. So this first number is called Tuiwinga, which means to rise. So even in the island of Samoa, the Samoan people, they derive when they're faced with problems like we are here in the U.S., they stand for freedom, and they fight also here for the United States as well. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bring my group out, and then once again, from the island of Samoa, this number is going to be Tuiwinga. Oh, and keeping in light of honoring our veterans, past and present, I hope we don't offend anybody. We're going to try and do it kind of military style, just for you guys tonight. So please don't mind if we're off, if the call is a little off. We try. And we are not, I promise you, we're not JROTC either. And I'm not strict. I'm afraid to hurt people's feelings. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, Poly Mike Islanders,